Turn those HEIC photos into regular JPG in just a few taps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Now, select Formats. Under Camera Capture, choose Most Compatible. From now on, when you capture photos on your camera, your iPhone will save new photos directly as JPG instead of HEIC. What about the photos you already took in HEIC? Open the Photos app on your device and select the HEIC image you want to convert. In the bottom left corner, tap the Share icon. Click on the Copy Photos. Open the Files app on your device. Now create a new folder and open it. Long press in an empty area of the folder and tap Paste. The pasted images will now be in JPEG format, and you can then save them back to your Photos app if needed. Now go back to the gallery and make sure it is in JPG format, and that's it.